founded in the concept of the Panchabhutas. Vastu is the scientific study of directions which aims at creating equilibrium by balancing the different elements of nature and using them for the well-being of humans. Vastu Shastra is a body of knowledge, very much part of our Shastras, that consists of guidelines on the subject of selecting the location of the site, planning the structure, the layout of residential houses, palaces, temples, villages, and even cities. It is a science of architecture for a Vedic way of living. A way of living recognizing total interdependence with nature. Vastu extracts the positive energies from nature, the solar energy of sun, lunar energy of the moon, wind energy, magnetic effects of earth, heat energy of fire, etc., balancing them to bring health and harmony in the lives of people. On the other hand, Agama Shastra is a discipline that deals with various forms of worship in temples, rituals for the installation of various forms of deities, rules of temple building, the role of priests, their duties and austerities, details of measurements of the images of the deities, temple festivals, etc. Temples, apart from being focal points of Bhagavad Kaikarya, Bhagavata Kaikarya, art, knowledge, culture, also serve as powerful energy centers. So our Shastras prescribe a structured approach to leverage these energy centers for our transformation, physical, mental, intellectual, spiritual. Now coming back to Vastu Shastra, the question is how practical it is in today's times, when we are completely misaligned to the Vedic way of life and living, when we are living in structures, in places which are not at all conducive for living in harmony with nature, performing all the Vedic rituals. Well water, natural air conditioning, fire altars for yagas and yajnas, for Agnikarya. Why, even dedicated kitchens and dedicated puja rooms are all things of the past. Many a times, we don't even have a choice. So what do? We can try and implement certain basics, right directions to align to Earth's magnetic field for better lighting, better air circulation, etc. But beyond that, we cannot stretch the Vastu Shastra, which is more or less for all of us is in the zone of the unknown. We cannot stretch it to levels which cannot be applied to a non-Vedic way of living. And also there is no need to fear the unknown, especially when we are faced with choiceless situations. We can just do what is practical and doable. Vas, the root in Vastu, means to dwell. All we can do is to transform our dwelling places to Vasudeva's dwelling place. and live our lives rooted in the knowledge Vasudeva Sarvamiti. Bhagavan shall take care of our well-being, health and harmony. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.